Hi, it's Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. Welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time tuning in, please subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. I am almost at 3,000 subscribers. I will have another giveaway. The giveaway is my Natural My Choice in the Box giveaway. Each time I reach a new milestone, which I consider every 1,000 I hit, I will do a giveaway. So I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers. Please support my channel and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Now I am back with a DIY video, and it is on a DIY Marley hair comb. And I have styled my hair how it looks. And this is the finished product. I made two, I made three, and I have one in my head now, but this is the Marley hair comb. I link the hair onto the tooth of the combs and insert the hair, and I twist it up in mini twists, 2-strand twists, and it's very simple and easy. I'm going to show you how I make the Marley comb and insert it in my hair, so stay tuned for that. Okay, here is the comb. I have already gotten started on making this Marley comb. Now what you want to do, you do not want to start linking the hair onto the tooth on the end, the very first tooth. You want to start directly on the second tooth and follow it all the way down, and when you get to the end, you do not want to put hair on the end as well. So the first two, the outer combs, the outer tooth, you do not want to insert hair because it will definitely fall off. So let me show you how I do this. You're going to turn the comb around facing backwards. You will take your Marley hair. So what I do is just twirl it around like that. Hold it around my index finger. Take the hair. Actually, you want to move the tooth out of the way. Take the Marley hair and just insert it over the tooth. Pull it down, and there. You'll see it has been linked on. Take your Marley hair, twirl it around your index finger, grab the next tooth, insert it over the tooth, there, and here. Do it again. Take your Marley hair, the last one. You're going to twirl it. Put it around your index finger, open up the tooth, and insert the hair, pull it down, and there. I have completed this one. How I twist my the hair. I find something very sturdy in my home, and I just take the comb, insert it underneath something that would hold it down. Take the Marley hair, the hair that I inserted in, and I will just start twisting the hair. I'll show you how I use my Marley hair comb. Okay, I have already put my hair in a bun and set it with a scarf. I always make more than one comb here. I have many twisted completely down, and you can use the comb in two different ways. You start here in the back, push it in like that, and take the hair, flip it up, and then you can proceed to wrap it in a bun. But I like to wear it front. So what I do is I take the comb and I insert it as close to my bun as possible. It goes in really easy. Just push it in. And remember, if there's too much tension on your scalp, please remove it and insert the comb. Then I take the hair, flip it over, just like that. Then I proceed to twist the hair, wrap it around, holding it with my other hand. Continue to twist and roll. Insert the bobby pins. There, all done. Looks really cute. I like it. Turn around in the back for you. So I really love making Marley combs. They're so easy to use, very convenient, quick, and easy. If you're having a bad hair day, make you a couple of Marley combs and put your hair up in a bun and attach this to your own bun to give it some fullness, and that's it. It's so simple and easy. I'll leave down in the description box where I got my Marley hair from. I picked up the hair combs from the beauty supply store, so you can get a pack, I believe a pack of 10. So yeah, so this completes this video. I hope it was helpful, enjoyable to you. You like this hairstyle, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.